Okay, now we'll see the most complicated situation. If we lose a current reading log, the current reading log is number 2. So we'll erase both of them. Yep. And 0, 2. No, 0, 2 and okay. 2 and 0. Okay, so we lost the 0, 2 and the 0, 2. Seems lost. So what will happen here? It has some difficulties. Okay, and in fact the database is lost. Fine, it is not lost, but it is shut down, and recover will be needed. We'll take a look at inside the alert file. And of course, we will see that the instance is terminated. Exactly the same thing found on from the same behavior when we destroyed one of control file. So now we need to recover and the restore and recover. Let's so basically what happened, it happens that we lost the online reader log, so the data files are fuzzy. Let's say that. And we need to restore and recover them, and it is more complicated than the situation when we lost the control file because let me just start up mount. Just a minute. Okay, okay, they are all fuzzy. So we will try to restore and recover and see what happens. in fact, we couldn't use the reader log because, remember, it was destroyed. So we need, in fact, the complete recover won't work. And what we need is to try to recover until the checkpoint change. But unfortunately, that won't work either. Because if the reader logs are destroyed, just let me see that later. Let me see that. Is this one? Right, the wrong. Okay. So it won't work. In fact, the data files are fuzzy, and if we don't have the reader log, the current log, in order to recover them, we need to restore the data files in order to not make them fuzzy. And then to do the recover. Okay, and then recover. Okay, again we are, because we lost the log. So we need to find the exact point in time to which we can recover. And obviously this is not this one. So how should we proceed? We need to find the last video sequence. And we shall see that in the next video.